Yo, my guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your footer section or how to remove this credit part. So currently my footer has read more by theme name, so I want to remove this part. So there is a really easy way to do it, but it depends on your theme. So I have to go to appearance and theme editor. So when I go to theme editor, there has a page called theme footer. So this is my theme footer. I click on theme footer. When I go to theme footer, most of time that this code should be located in this text editor. So in this page, so currently I have it as hook. I mean WordPress has hooks, so I don't want to go deep inside it and I don't want to explain more about hooks. By the way, currently I don't see any HTML code in my uh, WordPress footer, but if you use different WordPress theme, you may have this section. Let me check it again. Yeah, this section. So only you have to remove that HTML code, but unfortunately we don't have that section. So now we have to fix this issue. To fix this issue, we have to edit our HTML code by going to our theme edit, not theme editor, going to our cPanel and file editor. So I have to go to my cPanel. After that, I click on file manager. So in file manager, I create this video before, and that makes me uncomfortable, and you will not understand that video because I think it will easy to do, but I have to do those early steps. That's why I record this video again. So when I go to my file editor and I click on public HTML, after that I go to my WordPress website install folder. So in here we have to find our theme. Our theme is located at WP content. So sorry, I click on WP include. So I click on WP content. After that I click on themes. In themes, read more is my theme. So if you have different theme, your theme folder file will be different name. So I have to get I have to zip this file and download the zip file. So I already did it before 10 or 15 minutes before. By the way, zip your WordPress theme folder and download it. So I already downloaded it. Let me show it. This is our theme folder. So I unzipped it. After that, you have to open your favorite editor. My favorite editor is Sublime Text, but actually I use Sublime Text for small tasks. So this is a small task. By the way, if you use Sublime Text or any other software, any other editing software, just right click on your folder and click on find in folder. After that, you have to go to your website. Where is your website? No, this is my website. By the way, after that, right click on Enscape. I show you before, like what that video called, editing landing page. In editing landing page video series, you will find this exact same step to remove and change the text and content of theme. So check that video for find more about Google, what we call Google Enscape tool and other stuff. By the way, I click on this little icon and click on read more by theme name, and there has a class called site info. So when I copy that site info and find it, I find it on hooks / footer.php folder. So I have to find this folder location on my WordPress file manager, not WordPress, cPanel file manager. So this is my WordPress theme. I go inside it and I check my theme file, I mean theme, that place, location of that place, and it's on hooks. So I go to hooks and there has footer.php. okay, great. I right click and click on edit. After that I click on edit. So before you do this any of editing of your WordPress template or any kind of stuff, backup is number one thing you must do, because if you do somehow your files, you have to waste your time on finding them files. So you don't want to do this, because so backup is always backup it. So this is my HTML file location. So I just remove this whole part and I remove this whole PHP part and save it. Okay, after I save it, that footer section credit part will be gone. Okay, really great. So this is how you can edit your footer. But if you use a small theme, so if you use different kind of theme, it will definitely located in here. That code will be definitely located in here. So you only have to change this part. So if you didn't see any result, just change few other lines. After that you will see what is the exact code to remove, to disappear that part. So again, always backup before you do anything to your WordPress theme file. Okay, this is the day video. I hope you enjoy it and I will see you in next video. Make sure to subscribe and add like. If you have any kind of question, let me know on comment section. I will see you in next video. Bye.